Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This should be a pretty quick one, I'm serious this time. It's just a quick comparison, compare the pair. Couple of injector internals, and they are really, we're getting that many back now that, you know, we can sort of pick out sets that are really comparable. And this is two guys that have returned their injectors and all their, you know, those crow's foots, dowels, red caps and all that, thank you very much. And they're both from Queensland, okay? So plenty of business coming from Queensland, WA, thank you very much. And those massive states full of Prados and Hiluxes. Okay, they're both 2008 120 Prados, okay? So compare the pair. This is like an exact comparison. I'm going to tell you the kilometers. I'm going to show you what you can even see with your eyes, the wear here. I don't know what you can see in the video so far. We'll just have a bit of a... And we're also going to talk about these seats because these are quite low kilometers, so I wanted to show you. And I don't know that they haven't been changed, of course, but I'll tell you the kilometers and I'll tell you the sort of condition they're in. So I'm going to be asking, if I don't get these two mixed up, which one's which again. Anyway, they're both clear of contamination. So one, James C and Brendan L, both clear of contamination. So that's the good news. You're both from Queensland, 2008 Prado, so you know who you are. One's done 135,000 Ks. One's done 168,000 Ks. So if you didn't know who you were, if there was any doubt, if you had an 08 Prado and you're from Queensland and your name's James C or Brendan L, now you know the kilometres. So James C, 135,000 Ks. That is, let me just get it right here. Jeez, I think I mixed them up. No, the lower K one was the one with the seats, which was this one. So that's James C from Queensland, 135K, 2008 Prado. This one's Brendan L, 168,000 Ks, right? So, if I didn't mix them up, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. The first thing I'd like to point out is, let's have a look at the seats, right? It doesn't really matter which one they're off. Either way, 135 or 168 is fairly low Ks, okay? And the seats were off the 135K set. This is the main thing, right? So, I know we've gone out of the picture, so let's move that there, hang on. Right, let's have a look at these. I mean, you can probably, you're at a bigger screen than me. I'll do what I normally do. I'll pick the suckers up, all right, and just show you a bit closer. I'll bring them around. Come around here. Okay, just have a good look at those if I can hold them still for a minute. Okay, so if they've done, even if they've done 160, that would be why we say get them out and replace them at that time. But they've done 130. So this is, they're not leaking 135, but they're close, and the reason why I say they've been out before, maybe because see those, get it back in the picture, see those specks of dirt there, that's a sign that they've been out, but you know, it might not have been, you know, it's hard to say 100%. Let's look at the other side as well. The reason I like to think that they haven't been out, yeah, they've been out. They've been out at some stage. So just give me 1 sec, we've got to fire up this switch here. Here. What's happening? Plug the charger in and we'll be in business. Just give me a sec. Okay, we're in business now. So, I said it'd be quick, didn't I? Okay, so, quite deteriorated when you consider 130,000 Ks. They must have been changed because I'm seeing a couple of specks of black on the seats there, right? So that sort of says they must have been changed, but maybe early days. Both these vehicles certainly had original injectors. They were both built in 2007, the injectors. I checked the dates on those. So definitely original injectors in case you wanted to know that. Yeah, look. Okay, that mark might have been from getting it out. See, maybe they got dirty afterwards. But either way, look, they've done no more than 130,000 Ks. You can see it narrowing off there. You can see the erosion around in the middle. I'm glad they came out when they did, to be honest. See there how that's thinning out there? You can see the nice wide setting area, and there it's a lot thinner. So important information, guys, because it's the same here, getting quite thin and messy around there. They do look original. From the deterioration, I would say I'm going to be following up, and perhaps maybe I should have done it before for the video, with James, assuming I think this vehicle has been doing a lot of towing perhaps, because a lot of the towing and extra heat is sometimes what causes those seats to deteriorate more quickly. So something to keep in mind. These nozzle kneaders, they look about the same as each other, no big deal. But I just wanted to show you these at 168,000 Ks. Try and get it in the picture and show you the wear, okay, that you can see on the command piston, right? See, you can see all that there, right? You can compare the pair, guys, right? This is 100 and, if I got it right, yeah, this is 168k, Brendan L. Right, you can see all that wear on the, you can see it with your eye, mate. That's pretty bad stuff, right? Those back over there. Doesn't matter if it's 160 or 130, and this is why I say, regardless of kilometers, right? Regardless, it's like, sometimes it's the age. So let's just have a look at these, right? So these are done, what did I say? Are these the 135k ones? Whatever, you know. They don't look a whole lot different, do they? You know what I mean? A little bit better, maybe. But you can see that wear there. Right, that's why you replace them based on averages. Anyway, guys, I said I'd keep it short and sweet, just showing you the wear that happens. And if you can see that, the tolerances there are smaller than what you can see. So if you can see that wear, they're not working right, they're jamming at times, and that's where you get your knocks, rattles, and carry on, and that sort of thing. Whatever, I'm just showing you information, what we see. Bada boom, you know, give us a thumbs up if you got something out of that, and subscribe, turn the bell on. We've got more information coming your way. There's a short one for you. I'm out of here. See ya. Thanks. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, boom.